Okay, hi guys. Now I'm going to guide you how to practice topic 2. Talk about your favorite food. Talk about your favorite food. Em hãy nói về đồ ăn yêu thích của em. Now listen and repeat after me these phrases. Out of all the foods. Out of all the foods. Italian dish. Italian dish. Italian dish. Dough, dough. Cheese, cheese. Different toppings, different toppings, different toppings. Cheese powder, cheese powder, cheese powder. Hot sauce, hot sauce. At least, at least, at least. Once a week, once a week, once a week, once a week. Pizzeria, 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 pizzeria. My favorite type, my favorite type. Eat up, eat up, eat up. 4 slices, 4 slices. Okay, listen to me. Hi everyone, my name is Nancy. I am 9 years old. Right now, I'm gonna talk about my most favorite food. You know, out of all the foods, pizza is my most favorite. It is an Italian dish. It is made with pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings. You can eat pizza with cheese powder or hot sauce. I eat pizza at least once a week. I usually have it at home. Sometimes I have it at pizzeria with my friends. My favorite type of pizza is cheese pizza. When I am hungry, I can eat up to 4 slices. Okay, phần này các bạn lưu ý một số từ mới, khá là nhiều từ mới đúng không? Mà khó đọc. Italian dish, Italian dish. Pizza dough. Cheese, different toppings. Cheese powder, a hot sauce. At least once a week. Pizzeria. Eat up to 4 slices. Okay guys, bye bye.